Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Has your Epson L3250 series printer stopped printing in color? This happens due to dried ink after infrequent use or air in ink tubes, which can be fixed with simple printhead cleaning sessions. In today's video, I'll walk you through step-by-step method to perform a printhead cleaning via the control panel, and after that, we'll also run a nozzle check. For one-on-one assistance, you can call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. Ensure your printer is powered on, then go to Printer's control panel. On the control panel, you'll see the stop button, then press and hold the button for 5 seconds. Now, you'll see the green light on the power button start blinking. This indicates that the printhead cleaning has started. Wait for the power button to stop flashing, which shows the printhead cleaning has ended. Once the power button stops flashing, we need to test a print quality page. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials related to Epson printers, tell us the issues in the comments. Now, load some paper in the printer. Turn off your printer. After that, press and hold the power and stop buttons together for not more than 3 seconds. Wait for the printer to give you a nozzle test print. Check if the color lines are not breaking.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.